Today, we're tackling a topic that many of us struggle with: unhappiness. We'll discuss several common reasons why you might be feeling unhappy and offer practical solutions to help you address these issues and improve your overall well-being. Let's get started. Reason 1: unfulfilled goals and dreams. When your personal or professional goals feel out of reach, it can lead to dissatisfaction. Reflect on what you truly want to achieve and identify any barriers to reaching those goals. Set small, manageable objectives and create a plan to work towards your larger dreams. Celebrate your progress along the way. Reason 2: poor work-life balance. Struggling to balance work with personal life can lead to stress and unhappiness. Evaluate your current schedule and make adjustments to ensure you have time for relaxation, hobbies, and relationships. Prioritize self-care and set boundaries to maintain a healthier balance. Reason 3: negative self-talk and low self-esteem. Negative self-talk and low self-esteem can undermine your happiness. Challenge negative thoughts and practice self-compassion. Focus on your strengths and achievements, and consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor to build a more positive self-image. Reason 4: toxic relationships. Being in relationships that are draining or unfulfilling can significantly impact your happiness. Assess your relationships and identify any that are consistently negative or harmful. Set boundaries or consider distancing yourself from individuals who do not contribute positively to your life. Reason 5: lack of purpose or meaning. Feeling like your life lacks purpose can lead to feelings of emptiness. Reflect on what brings you joy and fulfillment. Engage in activities that align with your values and passions. Finding meaning in your daily life can help you feel more content and purposeful. Reason 6: health and wellness issues. Physical and mental health issues can affect your overall happiness. Prioritize your health by adopting a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep. If you're struggling with mental health concerns, consider reaching out to a professional for support and guidance. Reason 7: financial stress. Financial difficulties can create significant stress and unhappiness. Create a budget to manage your finances more effectively and seek financial advice if needed. Addressing financial concerns and working towards financial stability can alleviate some of the stress that contributes to unhappiness. Remember, addressing the root causes of unhappiness is a journey, and taking proactive steps can lead to a more fulfilling life. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let us know what topics you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.